There's something special about a pot of chicken stew slowly simmering on the stove. The aroma fills the kitchen. Everyone starts asking when food will be ready, and suddenly the whole house feels warmer. Hi, my dear friends, welcome back to my channel Noila Creations. Here I have taken 173 grams of boneless chicken breast washed and chopped, less than half teaspoon of salt, 3/4 teaspoon of ginger garlic paste, half teaspoon of black pepper powder, half green chili finely chopped, juice of half lime, mix this well. Cover and let it marinate for 30 minutes. Here I have 3/4 cup of elbow macaroni. First we have to boil the water. The water is boiling. Now we will add the 3/4 cup of elbow macaroni. Add 1/4 teaspoon of salt, little oil, mix it. Once the macaroni are cooked 80%, drain them. Pour little water on the macaroni. Then pour little oil on them. Now I am boiling water in a saucepan. Here I have 1 chopped potato, 1 chopped carrot, 3 French beans, and I have 1/4 cup of green peas. The water has started boiling, so I added the carrots, potatoes, and French beans. Add 1/4 teaspoon of salt and mix well. Once these vegetables are cooked, add the 1/4 cup of green peas and let it cook since green peas cook fast. By the way, if you like this video, do give it a like, hype, share it with your family and friends, and subscribe for more recipes. The vegetables are cooked well. Now let's drain the water. Now it's time to start building the flavors that make this stew a family favorite. Then place a kadai on medium flame, add 1 tablespoon of oil and half tablespoon of butter. Add half inch of cinnamon stick, 3 cloves, 4 black peppercorns, 1 bay leaf. Now we'll add the marinated chicken. We'll fry until the chicken changes color and is cooked. Then in the same pan add some oil. Half tablespoon of butter. 1 chopped onion. Saute until the onion turns translucent. Then add 1 chopped tomato. As everything cooks together, the aroma slowly fills the kitchen and makes the wait even harder. Half capsicum diced. Half teaspoon of ginger garlic paste. Half teaspoon of garam masala powder. 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper powder. Now you can remove the spices. I'm adding little chicken stock powder. If you don't want to add chicken stock powder, you can skip it. Now add the chicken. The chicken goes in to absorb all those delicious flavors. Add 3/4 tablespoon of flour. Mix well. Add less than half cup of milk. Mix. As the stew gently simmers, the flavors deepen and the chicken becomes beautifully tender. Next goes in the boiled vegetables. Now add the boiled macaroni. Add half tablespoon of butter and mix well. Look at how beautifully everything has come together. Chicken stew is ready. Now turn off the flame. This Goan chicken stew is warm, hearty, and incredibly comforting. The chicken is tender and full of flavor, while the vegetables are soft and perfectly cooked. It's the kind of meal that brings back memories of family lunches, rainy afternoons, and simple moments shared around the dining table. Nothing here is complicated, yet every ingredient plays its part beautifully. Served hot, this stew is comforting, filling, and full of the traditional flavors that make home cooked food so special. If this recipe reminds you of home, let me know in the comments. See you all soon in my next video. Until then, happy cooking. Sending you calmness and good wishes always. Thanks for watching.